Choosing the right company to work on your home can be a difficult decision, which is why we feel it's important to demonstrate exactly how we can work for you. If there is anything that we have discovered through years of industry experience, it is that pre-planning and communication are key to a successful project. So, to always keep one step ahead, we use Basecamp. Basecamp was created by a bunch of guys who were passionate about working more effectively and keeping things organized. So let us show you how we could manage your project via Basecamp. Every project is given a title. We use your property address because it's then easy to find, and then the whole team involved in your project can see it too. We then give your project a description. Here we put the brief of your project, your budget, so everyone understands its limit, and your ideal start date, so we know how to prioritize your project. Everyone involved in your project shows up here, and you're welcome to add your profile picture too. This means that alongside yourself, we can invite your partner or spouse, one of our designers, an Akiva-approved contractor, or one of your choice, an architect or structural engineer, and so on. As a result, we are able to collaborate and work more efficiently. Next are these 6 sections, which are the central hub of your project. Campfire is used by our internal team to discuss your project, similar to a WhatsApp group. Next up is messages. Here we create message threads if we want to speak about a certain topic or address something important. You will see there is already one called Client Message Thread. It's the one we will use to stay in touch with you. Next up is the to-dos. These are vital to all our projects. Every team member has their tasks and we go through them stage by stage so that nothing is missed. There's also a client to-do list that we may invite you to if we need your assistance with something like getting a parking permit to park outside your property, for example. Next up is the schedule. This is great because it's shared with you so you know what is happening and when it's happening. Great for making your personal plans around your project. Check-ins are used if your internal team needs weekly reminding about something. And then finally we have docs and files. Docs and files is where we keep everything super organized. You have access to your client folder where you can upload photos, plans, and anything else. It's also where we keep all the important information about your project. Each project is archived for a minimum of 1 year, or for as long as you would like us to hold on to it in our system. Then if you need something, you can simply call us and we can send it to you in a flash. Basecamp can be accessed online using any browser or, for best performance, downloaded via your app store and used on the go anywhere you are. We hope, in brief, that we have demonstrated our effective working systems with planning and communication as a central focus. Key reasons why our clients often return and enjoy working with us. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we hope to be working with you soon.